Hi, this is Industrial Surplus. We are here videotaping our Kysor Johnson automatic horizontal bandsaw. It's a model HA250. It's just like an AMADA model HA250, except it was built for Kysor Johnson, again by AMADA, in 1979. This machine has a cutting capacity of 10-inch rounds, 10-inch by 11-inch horizontals or rectangulars. And stock weight capacity on this machine is 6,600 pounds. Blade speeds are 88 to 262 feet per minute. Blade size is 138 by 1 inch by 37 thousandths thick. Has a stock feed hydraulic shuttle. Single feed length is 16 inches. And it has multiple steps, and it'll feed a total of up to 144 inches at 5,000 graduations. Overall dimensions on this machine are 68 inches wide, 76 inches long, 45 inches high in the horizontal or down position. Weighs 2,650 pounds. Has automatic blade breakage switch, piece counter with auto shut off, automatic head height control in the up position, emergency raise stop button, powered blade brush, front and rear vises of course, has a fast approach, a coolant system, a 3 horsepower blade motor, and the machine is wired, can be wired 220 or 440 volt, 3-phase, 60 cycles, and is currently wired for low voltage, 220. So we'll go ahead and start the machine and do it through its paces. So we'll bring the head all the way up. Start the blade. Put it in auto mode. You got the switch here, auto or hand. This raises the blade, this lowers the blade. Looks like you have a vise forward or reverse. And here is your blade guide settings for different materials over here. Okay, we need a little assistance here. Turn that off. On. Okay. Push the on button, push the green button.
No, you gotta set the cut up a little bit.
Oh, okay. We'll be right back with the setup, and then we'll do the runoff. Okay, we're back and ready to do a test cut on this Kysor Johnson model HA250 horizontal bandsaw made by AMADA in 1979. So we have a piece in there we're going to cut. We're all set up. We did our adjustments manually. We put it into auto mode, and now we're going to just start the machine. You have it set to go up. Will it do multiple cuts? All right. We'll just watch and see what it does. Now we're in cut feed mode. Previously that was fast approach. Goes up the amount it needs to go up. It's preset. Comes back down, fed out the next piece. We're good to go again. So that's the machine. We're happy to answer any questions you might have, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.